Good day everyone, this is Lorre from ORIEMAC. Today we are at the Shanghai Port. There is a new machine ready for shipment. XCMG brand new Rafterian crane RT60. And then I will introduce this machine to you by two parts. Firstly, let's start from the chassis. Now what you can see is the frame of this RT60, which is made of high-strength fine granite steel, providing high load bearing capacity. This machine has 4 outriggers, which are located at both sides of chassis frame. All these outriggers are controlled by electrical and hydraulic, making the work more stable. This part is the axle of RT60. Both front and rear axles are for driving and steering, which supports 4 steering modes. Next, let's talk about the superstructure. This is the boom of this machine, which is composed with main boom and jib 2 parts. The main boom includes 1 basic boom and 3 telescopic sections. How about the lifting height? The max lifting height can up to 52.5 meters. This machine's max lifting capacity can up to 60 tons. All I said is the main specification of this crane. If you want to know more details or other machines, welcome to contact me. Thanks for your time. See you.